Turning our attention now to the ASX, here's Matt Birney and Bulls and Bears with the latest public company views and interviews.
Welcome to Bulls and Bears, brought to you today by soon-to-be ASX-listed mineral explorer TG Metals, ASX code TG6. I'm Matt Birney and I'm joined now by the CEO of TG Metals, David Selfe. Hi, Dave.
Hi, Matt.
Okay, so TG Metals listing on the ASX is imminent. The company has pulled together a portfolio of 5 prospects that collectively represent probably the biggest land holding ever put together under one roof in the Lake Johnston greenstone belt, 100 kilometres or so west of Norseman in WA. The company is focusing on nickel, lithium and gold initially and is raising $6 million through an IPO that is literally about to hit the boards at the ASX. Okay, David, very quickly, what's the mining history of the Lake Johnston greenstone belt?
Okay, so the main mining history has been the Maggie mining centre, where over 117,000 tonnes of nickel was mined between 2001 and 2014 when it was put on care and maintenance due to low nickel prices.
I want to do a bit of a roll call of the early geological signatures that you're seeing on your key prospect areas within Lake Johnston. Firstly, to the southernmost tenement, which I think you call Lake Tay. What's to like about that tenement? What are the early signs?
Yeah, so Lake Tay is prospective for gold and also nickel sulphide. So in the past, there's been around about 40 targets that have been identified there, and of those targets, only about 3 have been adequately tested by drilling. So our focus there will be to prioritise those remaining targets and then adequately test them with drilling and also more high-powered geophysics.
Okay, just to the north of Lake Tay is your Bremer Range prospect, which I think might have been held by White Cliff Minerals at one stage. What are the early geological signs there? What got you interested in that prospect?
Yeah, so there's nickel sulphide potential there, but also there's defined nickel laterite, which is currently non-JORC compliant. So our main focus there will be to test the nickel laterite with some further drilling and get it up to JORC standard.
Now, further north is your Maggie South project. What are you going after up there?
Okay, so Maggie South is directly south of a lithium anomaly, which was defined by soils conducted by Charger, and our main focus there is for continuation of those lithium anomalies.
Okay, furthest north project, Lake Percy. What's to like about that?
Yeah, so Lake Percy is a continuation of the most northern parts of the prospective ultramafic belt, and there is prospective areas there for nickel sulphide.
David Selfe from TG Metals, thanks for joining me on Bulls and Bears today. And remember, we're only here to give you information, not advice, which you should, of course, seek independently. I'm Matt Birney, and this is Bulls and Bears.
For more public company CEO interviews, go to the Money page on the 6PR, 2GB and 3AW websites and click the Public Companies tab.